take that bomb down. I saw that video you put up there. I sure did. I appreciate that. She's not in charge out here, too, a lot of mama.
Alrighty, Doorknob. No doubt you are definitely sounding good over here in Fallbrook, California. I heard you out there and I wanted to wave a hand. I hope you're having a good day out there. TJ Mama's waving.
Supposed to be colder next week. I got you have a nice day at Glen Grange. I'll be talking to you coming about 2.5 miles. If I don't talk to you again before then, you never know. I work a lot. You never know when I'm going to be out here. Somebody, please see you 200 miles. Appreciate that bye.
Alright, Doorknob. I appreciate all those flowers, and you have a good turkey day. I'm pretty sure we'll talk before then, but and a happy Veterans Day to everybody out there, all those veterans out there. Happy Veterans Day. We appreciate you, that's for sure. TJ Mama's waving one more time.
TJ Mama, Gunsmoke Film in Mississippi standing by.
Oh, I heard you out there in Mississippi. I didn't quite get your handle, but I did hear you, and I'm definitely waving a hand.